When it comes to weight loss, it's important to focus on a balanced and nutritious diet that promotes overall health. Here are 5 foods that can help support weight loss efforts. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in nutrients. They are rich in fiber, which helps promote feelings of fullness and curb cravings. Additionally, they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2. Lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and beans are excellent sources of lean protein. Protein helps increase satiety, preserves muscle mass during weight loss, and boosts metabolism through the thermic effect of food. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat products contain more fiber and nutrients compared to refined grains. The fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. 4. Fruits. Fruits are nutrient-dense, low in calories, and packed with fiber. They are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Opt for whole fruits instead of juices to benefit from the fiber content and control calorie intake. 5. Nuts and seeds. Although nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, they provide a good amount of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Including moderate portions of almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds in your diet can help keep you satisfied for extended periods, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy options. Remember, individual dietary needs can vary, so it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to develop a personalized and sustainable weight loss plan that suits your specific requirements. Regular physical activity and portion control are crucial components of any weight loss journey.